In this video, I'm going to share some personal technique to clean this data from Microsoft Word into Microsoft Excel. And we cannot use Power Query to clean this data, so I will share my personal technique with you. Along with this, I'm going to teach you some AI skill as well. Okay, our goal is to convert the data in proper tabulated format. So for this, I will create a new helper sheet. And now I will go to my Word file, click anywhere, hit Ctrl A and Ctrl C, and it will select the entire data set present in my Word document. Now I will click on my Excel sheet, click on row A and simply hit Ctrl V. And now it will paste all of the data set along with the image. What I need to do, I will click any of the image and hit Ctrl A. And now it will select all of the image present in my document. And now I will simply hit delete key to delete those images. Now in this data, you can see we have sometime 8 number of rows and sometime we have 9 number of rows. And this is very difficult for Power Query to extract the data in proper columns. So what I need to do, the first thing we need to identify the rows which has a name of person. I will right click and insert column on a left side. Now I will type here name and this is, let's say, my data set. So how we need to identify the row which present the name of person. So for this I will go to ChatGPT and I will write a simple prompt. Now ChatGPT actually write me a code which identify the text whenever they are pulled. What I need to do, I will simply hit copy, go to my Excel file, click on developer, Visual Basic, insert a module, Ctrl V, and this is our entire code. Now is text bold is the name of function. I will go to my Excel file and I will simply type equal is text. And now you can see is text bold. Now this is our new function. Simply double click and now I will select B2 close parenthesis, hit enter, and it will return true whenever we found a bold. And what is bold? Actually bold is the name of person. Now we need to manually drag this formula till the end of the data set. Since there are blank row, so formula will not automatically expand till the end rows. And now it will calculate the formula for each and every rows. Now you can see we get true whenever we have bold, we get false whenever we have any other text. So the formula is calculated. I don't want to calculate this formula again and again. So what I need to do, I will hit Ctrl C, right click and paste as a value. Now I don't need the VBA code anymore. So I will simply remove this code for now, just to make my sheet faster, and close this window. Now we need to insert another column on a left side and I will simply type the name, let's say company, and we need to extract the name of company in this column. So the name of company is actually, this is the name on third position. We have the name of company. This is the name on third position. We have the name of company. So it's very simple. I will click on row number 4 since this is the company name and simply type equal if open parenthesis. If this is equal to true, then I want to return true. Otherwise, I want to get a null result and close parenthesis, hit enter. And now I will simply double click to expand this formula till the end. And now you can see we get a true for each and every company name. And this is very useful. The next thing, we need to extract the phone number and also need to extract the email address. So for this, I will insert another column, right click, insert. And I will call this, let's say, phone number. Now you can see whenever we have true for the name, on a 5th position, we have the phone number. So what I need to do, I will simply write if condition, open parenthesis. If this is equal to true, then I want to get a true result, otherwise null result, close parenthesis, hit enter. And now simply drag this formula down. And now you can see we get a true result for each and every phone number. And the email address is very simple. I will insert another column. On the first email address, you can see whenever we have the phone number, we have the email address. So what I need to do, I will write easy if condition, if this is equal to true, hit comma. Then I want to get a true result, otherwise a null result, close parenthesis, hit enter, and now simply drag this formula down. Now you can see we get a true for each and every email address. I will go to sheet 1, which is a blank sheet, and here I will apply a very easy filter function, filter open parenthesis. Now I will go to sheet 3. I want to extract the name, so I will select my entire column E. Whenever this cell equal to true, close parenthesis, hit enter. And this is how we extract the full name. Now we need to extract the email address. So filter function again, go to sheet 3, select the entire data set, hit comma. And now I will click on column D, which is an email address. Whenever this result are true, close parenthesis, hit enter. For the phone number, simply type filter function, open parenthesis, go to sheet 3, select the entire column E. Whenever phone number column is true, close parenthesis, hit enter. For the company, again apply filter function, open parenthesis, go to sheet 3, select the entire column E, hit comma. Whenever the phone number column is true, close parenthesis, hit enter. And now I will select my entire data set, hit Ctrl C, right click, Ctrl V. And now we convert all of the data into a value format. So formula is omitted. Now what I need to do, I will copy all of the name for now. Hit Ctrl C, go to ChatGPT, and I will ask them. So now it's automatically split all of the first name and last name, and once the processing is done, we will simply copy this data. Now the data is ready, but before copying pasting, I will show you a quick safety check. What I need to do, I will insert a column on a very left side, and now we have 2 columns to copy paste. I will go to ChatGPT and simply copy all of the data set. Hit Ctrl C to copy the data, go to Excel file, right click on B2 and simply paste as a value. Now our data is ready and each and everything is matching accurately. So this is all about how you can separate the name using AI. You can further explain them. I want to remove these one and it will automatically remove those as well. Now what I need to do, I will simply copy the header and hit Ctrl V. I don't need this column anymore. And this is how we clean our data from Microsoft Word into Microsoft Excel. Thank you. I hope you learned something useful. If you want to clean your dataset, just share the same. If you want to clean your dataset, follow these methods, use AI, and you will get a clean data in few seconds. Thank you.